What if I told you there's this job in the music industry that no one's really talking about that helped me double my income as a professional musician in just a few months? Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's not. It's actually real. And I want to tell you why you probably already have the skill set to do what I'm doing and to teach you how to do it for yourself. Hi everyone, my name's Andy and I'm a musician, producer, and engineer in Los Angeles. I've mainly made my living touring with artists like Joji, Miguel, Porter Robinson, and others, but I've also been working a couple other jobs that nobody in this industry seems to be talking about, and I've seen my income skyrocket as a result. These two jobs are called playback engineer and show programmer. In short, a show programmer uses a digital audio software like Ableton Live to design and build a backing track system, live auto-tune, and onstage MIDI routing for an artist or band, while a playback engineer operates that system while the artist performs live. Most people don't know this job exists, and if they do, they think that you have to have some sort of Ableton certification or an IT degree, or you already have to be a professional musician. None of these are true. In reality, you only need three things to be a really successful playback engineer. Number one, you need to understand music basics, things like key signature, time signature, beats per minute, stuff like that. Number two, you need to be organized and a clear communicator. And number three, you need to be a quick and efficient Ableton user. Now, chances are if you're watching this, you probably already have a handle on music basics. And I can teach you everything that I do in Ableton Live from start to finish. So you can start using the skills you already have to be a playback engineer and show programmer. The craziest part is that you'll probably make more money as a playback engineer than a touring musician. And if you're already a touring musician, you can oftentimes double as the playback engineer on a gig and get a significant pay raise. I've helped other people get into this line of business already, and you can see what they have to say about me and my course on my website. I want this information to be accessible and affordable, so if you click the link, you can get 30% off this course instantly. As musicians and producers, I know how helpful it could be to add another source of revenue. So here's hoping that this helps you make more money doing what you love in 2023. Cheers.